Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Each part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. The different parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In this video, we will learn about verbs. A verb is a word that is used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. When describing an action, we can think of it as a doing word. For example, the dog jumps over the box. The verb in this example is jumps because it's used to describe the action that the dog does. I swim every day. The verb in this sentence is swim because it's used to describe the action that I do. When describing a state of being, we can think of the way something exists. The verb links the noun to another word, usually an adjective. These verbs can also describe feelings and opinions. For example, the flower smells nice. The verb in this sentence is smells because it's used to describe the state. John is very tall. The verb in this sentence is because it's used to describe the state. So as you can see in both examples, we're not describing an action. Rather, we're describing the state of being. The verbs in both examples link the noun to the adjective. When describing an occurrence, we can think of something happening. For example, the caterpillar became a butterfly. The verb in this example is became because it's used to describe something that happened. He developed his own business. The verb in this sentence is developed because it's used to describe something that happened. The tense of the verb will change depending on when the action takes place. This can be in the present tense, past tense, or future tense. In this example, the verb is in the past tense. Now let's look at some examples of verbs in sentences. I live in London. The verb in this example is live. Tina and Claire ate a lot of food. The verb in this example is ate. Lucy wants a pet cat. The verb in this example is wants. The baby cries all night. The verb in this example is cries. Now you try. Read the sentence and identify the verb. She sings a song. The verb in this example is sings. Stand by the door, please. The verb in this example is stand. You are a great singer. The verb in this example is are. They won the basketball game. The verb in this example is won. Kim is the tallest in the class. The verb in this example is. The shop accepts returns. The verb in this example is accepts. James cleaned the van. The verb in this example is cleaned. The picture looks beautiful. The verb in this example is looks.